All right, let's turn to you, Carol, and you're going to show us, I guess, first of all, WinDesk, which is a kind of easier version of WinTools. Is that the idea?
Yes, WinDesk is for all Windows users. Both of these products are alternative interfaces. So we replace your program, file, and task managers.
All right, now which one do we have up here right now?
This is WinDesk.
Okay, and tell us what it does.
Yes, everything in WinDesk is included in WinTools. What we give you instead is a set of basic tools that are your building blocks to creating your own desktop. And in this way, you can make a copy of anything on the desktop simply by dropping it on the copy tool. You can get rid of anything on the desktop by dragging it to trash. We give you all the things you're used to in your program manager groups, and from there you can build and actually use your desktop. So I'd like to show you file management and how we've improved on that. We really take the idea of visual computing to the next level. Everything can be controlled with mouse drag and drop to graft and prune your tree, copying and move using mouse control. There's also keyboard support. All the pull-down menu functions that you've been doing are now automated. You just simply double-click on, for instance, putting this in date order or in detail order or by kind. We let you view 3 different directories at a time, and any type of file can be pulled right out onto the desktop. So this BMP file I can pull out. I can easily close down this whole tree directory by pushing close open for all windows, so we're automating a lot of the things you do. And then I can change everything about the file that I've pulled onto the desktop. This is your desktop, and why not easily have that be represented by something that you're going to remember? So you can change the font, the color, you can go beyond the 8-character DOS name. So here, this was a tartan plaid BMP. Let's see what we can find. How about the checks? So now, in a very simple way, you have created a customized tool on the desktop. With one double click, you'll launch the application and the file. So I've created an example of maybe how you could organize your cluttered desktop. Maybe you have 3 top clients, and you could easily put together a desk for your #1 client that included financial files, word processing files, database files. And you can see this idea of customizing with the icons.
So I can regroup those files any way that's functional for me.
Exactly. So that's what we've done with organizing your desktop. We've also really assisted in automating the PC user and working through their applications. We have a universal toolbar for all the major applications. And in this way, you would run our Word toolbar, or WordPerfect, or Lotus above your open application.
So whatever application I'm in, I use the same toolbar.
Yes, you would double-click on printer ? To reconfigure your printer. So that's a quick tour of WinDesk.
Okay, yeah, quickly, let's make sure we get to WinTools. There's only a little bit of time left.
Okay. WinTools includes everything I've shown you, plus this idea of having more desktops to organize your work. So in this way, I can move up to this desktop.
Because each of those little boxes is another desktop?
Yes, and we allow you to have up to 16 open. So I have Quicken open with my files I go to most often, my automated toolbar. I can move over to the main screen of WinTools, and you can see that we've also included a few extra automation tools, DDE and keystroke. I also can launch multiple programs. With one double click, I'm going to launch 3 different Windows applications in that feature called Big Sky, with the more desktops available to you. So Paintbrush is opening, and also we'll have Notepad and Calendar.
So with one click, I open 3 things at a time.
Exactly. We also include networking features. WinTools is designed for anyone who is setting up Windows on a network. And in this way, you can assign rights to each individual tool. So you can lock down a consistent interface.
Carol, thank you very much. They're both very
welcome.
impressive products. All right.